It's time to see my classmate. Please no sneeze. Wow, that's so beautiful. That's what Shakabrah. Wow, that's nice. That's Shakabrah. So bring that, is it? No. Ha, su. Su. Stop, please. Uh-oh, I thought it'll get it a cold. Wait, right here. That's how the casa put Dr. Annie. A sacanagem. Oh. Follow my finger. Well, it's not about the eyes that they do that. I bet it became what? I bet it became what for you. But it's something for to do that they why is it coming like that? Oh, that's easy too. What do you get, Dr. Annie? I can't do that. Wait, there's something a brand on mine. It's a dancing for the allergies so proud of us. Achoo, how can we get so? Achoo, achoo, achoo. I get the wicked soy, but it's so yellow frozen. It doesn't mean we can stays. No, we are there. It's okay, Sophia. So you can come to the events of the Draco Sound. I get to see something else. See what, Giulia? That's formal. You can. Alright, that's right. Nanny, do you pray? Frizzetti, the wow bubble. And now that's funny, something make me sneeze. Oh no! I don't know. Maybe the wow bubble is not good, dear. I'm famous! Maybe it's really the little bubble is sad. What? I think it's a deal. So really that's hard too. Maybe. So yes, I don't like that, Sophia. Oh. That's quite that. No, my explanation of problems is wow bubble. Oh. Microphone and stand up. What's up, Giulia? What is up, Ruru? Sorry, that word. Actually, Shakabrah, I stupid about that socket. Whoa, so serious. Sorry, that right with me. Whoa, what's up, bro? It's about my phone. It's so dumb, I noticed that. That's so serious. We can go. This is real too. Thanks, Shaka. I miss my house, my friend, my friends, and Anna. Let's play the game. I guess it is a good idea. Yeah. You guys are good, how are you? Okay. Shaka! Are you saying to you? She's sorry. Oh no. Up, I just won. Soya, are you here? Surprise! Soya! Wait, so what's it?